Understanding the phrase, in a thread, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, in a thread. This phrase is commonly used in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can really enhance your comprehension of everyday English. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the word thread itself. Literally, a thread is a long, thin strand of cotton, silk, or other fibers used in sewing or weaving. It's something that's continuous and connects different elements. This literal meaning gives us a good foundation for understanding the metaphorical uses of the phrase, in a thread. When used in conversations, in a thread often refers to a series of connected messages or comments, especially on social media and emails. Imagine each message as a part of a long string of thoughts, linked together like a thread. For example, if someone says, "Let's discuss this in a thread on Twitter," they mean to have a continuous, connected conversation in a series of tweets. The phrase can also be used more broadly. In a narrative or a discussion, in a thread can imply a continuous theme or a series of thoughts that are connected. For instance, if someone says, "The theme of friendship runs in a thread through the novel," they mean that the theme is a consistent, connecting element throughout the story. It's important to differentiate, in a thread, from similar phrases like, hanging by a thread, or losing the thread. Hanging by a thread implies a situation of great risk or danger, while losing the thread means to lose track of what one was saying or thinking. These phrases use thread metaphorically, but in different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, in a thread, and how it's used in English. Remember, it's all about the continuity and connection of ideas, much like a thread in sewing. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with phrases like these to become more fluent and confident in your language skills.